Okay, good morning. Another day, another dollar. More back from work. Before that, I need to go in town to get some gasoline and oil mixture for the grass cutter. And also I need to reinforce the gate of the carport because Lily is eating out the whole thing. So let's do that. Okay, done. It's only temporary. At least you can't get out. You should be with your puppies. You be a good mother. Okay. Alright. I think I'd have to buy a door here. Some kind of door. Yeah. Good job. Run.
Nothing.
We're busy here, so we'll do some more tiles after lunch now. It's almost 11. Okay. That's good. That's my lunch, and I love it. And then we'll have fruit as well, so let's eat. Okay, back to the tiling. Okay, this is the middle, so I'm gonna do like this. Just plug it in higher. Okay, so then it will be 2 full tile, and then this bit here, and about the same here, about 150. Okay, that's it, that's the middle. Okay. I gotta get my hat. Ah, wrong way again. Damn it. Just one towel there at the top left. It's not facing the right way, but one only. Yeah, pity. Anyway, as I say, again, inside the shower, but I won't be able to make this mistake again everywhere else. No good. Okay, so getting there. Let's do some more. I should have put probably a little bit higher there against the wall, but we may stick something there on top, some cornice or something, we'll see. Even like that, I mean, who cares? This is Philippines, man. Okay, get in there. Okay, let's do the corners now. So, okay, wish me good luck. That's how I should have done, just measure first. Yeah, I don't like too much what I've done here. The one this side is okay, but here, towards the right side, too much gap on the top and not enough gap on the bottom. So we can do something to fix it. Before removing the plastic, I always try first. That's small. Very small, maybe it's the wrong way. That's why you have to try. Yeah, that's better. This is much better. I think it'll be okay. Yep. Okay, getting there. Yeah, doing the joint there on the corner, it's what takes a long time. The rest is okay. Okay, that's it for today. I need to cut some grass now. Putting those towels is tiring because you have to push, yeah. So I'm gonna have a rest and see if I can cut some grass. If I can start that thing. If not, just have a rest. I'm not gonna go back in the bathroom. It's looking okay. I made a few mistakes. It's my first job ever. I think things will get better after. I don't know where JM is. Maybe working on a project in the studio. Okay, let's see if we can cut some grass with a grass cutter. Gasoline. Okay, I was ready to start it, but I don't know, I found this broken, strange, loose and broken. Why? It's weird. Wasn't like this before. Maybe I'll damage without realizing. I don't know how I'm gonna fix this. I can still use it, but wow, that's not good. No, I can't use it. I need to fix this. I have to super glue and let it dry. Wow. Sorry guys, no grass cutting today. Because super glue, don't think it works in 5 minutes. It takes a long while to really settle. And I need to clean this with some solvent. Hello, my love. You watching cartoons? Hi, baby. You're beautiful. Look at those eyes. Dad, you have to buy a gun for those bastos. Jim, look at the puppy. Let's go have a look at the puppy. They're growing. They're so naughty now. Yeah. Hello. Hello, guys. Hello.
This one.
That's the smart one. Always.
It's a boy.
Is that with the long cute? Yeah. The long tail. Yeah, he's a smart one. Probably keep this one. He's the boss too. He teases everybody else. Here. Now that's the sister. Hello.
He's the only one got long tail. This one.
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
He's a smarter one.
Only one long.
Always barking and like Lily actually. Oh, the rest like a father. Those two, they look like a father. Exactly. It's tall doggy.
Bye bye guys. Bye bye guys. Bye. What's that? Toy? She's biting it. He's biting it. Ah, it's a boy. And
Okay. That's it for today. He was pulling his tail.
Yeah, he's got the tail, only one. Long tail.
You're jealous of your tail. You're the only one with a big one.
I just noticed now, he's the only one. Long tail.
That's it, they're fighting. Oh, they kill each other. Oh.
Ah, there. Maybe that's why I jumped.
Okay, Mimi wants to play with them.
Mm.
She won't do anything.
She's scared.
She's scared.
He's scared. Bye-bye, guys.
Be careful, if Lily comes in, she will kill him.
Gonna play long tail. A naughty boy. See? After you're gonna go there.
Of course, she's curious.
Yeah.
He's curious.
You're gonna look after them.
Okay, there's also some news from the mountain farmhouse. That pump,
Bye-bye.
it's working. Check this.
Bye-bye.
Okay, on that note, that's it for
Everyone.
this video. Until the next video, take care. God bless you all. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Mwah.
Another tail